In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Updating your software is essential for ensuring that all the latest features and security patches are applied to keep your documents safe and perform optimally. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, the process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive into the recommended method, updating from within the app itself. For our friends using Windows, the process begins by opening up Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Once the application is running, direct your attention to the top of the window and locate the menu bar. Here you'll click on the Help option, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, select Check for Updates. This prompt will start the process to determine if there are any updates available for your software. If an update is available, you'll have the option to choose Download and Install. Clicking this option will initiate the update, download, and installation process. It's important to follow the on-screen prompts carefully, as they will guide you through the necessary steps to successfully update your application. After the installation, it's crucial to restart the application to ensure all updates are applied correctly and you can enjoy the latest features and improvements. Now, switching gears to macOS users, the steps are remarkably similar. Launch your Acrobat or Acrobat Reader application and find the Help option in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Clicking on Help will, just like in Windows, present you with several choices. Select Check for Updates from this menu. If the software finds that updates are available, you'll see prompts guiding you through the installation process. During the installation, make sure to read each prompt and follow the instructions. This will ensure the update process goes smoothly and that you're taking full advantage of the latest enhancements and security features. Once the update is installed, go ahead and restart the application to apply all these changes effectively. And just like that, your Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader is up to date and ready to go. Keeping your software current is not just about enjoying new features, it's also an essential step in ensuring your data remains secure and that the application runs without any hitches. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy updating.